Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You first remove power and confirm 0 volts with a meter. Safety prevents shocks and component damage. Next, strip 6-8 mm of insulation and tin or twist wire ends for reliable contact. Locate the switch terminals labeled C, No, NC so you know which circuit changes state. Once done, position the switch close to the load to minimize length. Make sure to use appropriately gauged wire for the current. Too thin wire causes voltage drop and heat. You now route the feed conductor to the switch common terminal. A solid connection ensures consistent power transfer. Then attach the load conductor to the No terminal if you want the circuit closed when the switch is on, or to NC if it should be closed when off. Once connected, tug gently to test mechanical security. Make sure screw terminals are snug but not over-torqued. Stripping or damaging the terminal harms continuity. Finally, tidy wires to avoid strain and accidental shorts. You restore power and operate the switch while measuring voltage at the load. A correct wiring job shows voltage present when closed and absent when open. Once satisfied, fasten the switch into its housing, route strain relief, and label the control so others understand its function. If the circuit behaves unexpectedly, turn power off and recheck terminal ID and connection tightness. Intermittent contact often means a loose screw or frayed wire. If problems persist, swap in a known good switch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.